Good morning, my dear children. This is your science class. Today is 25th of May 2021 and it's Tuesday today. And children, today we'll start lesson number 2, living and non-living things. In this lesson, you will learn about living and non-living things and natural and man-made things. Let's start the lesson. There are many things around us. Look at the picture of a park below. Circle any two things that will grow bigger with green color and two things that cannot grow with blue color. Children, we see many things around us, and this is the picture of a park. You can see so many things in this picture like man, woman, girl, children, baby, plants, trees, and swing, slide, lamppost, road, building, grass. So you can see many things in this picture. In this picture, some things are living things and some things are non-living things. You have to circle two things that will grow bigger, जिनमें growth होती है, जो बड़ी हो सकती हैं. So what are these two things? There are so many things that can grow bigger, like baby, children, plant, tree, girl, woman, man. But you have to circle only two things. So you can circle this baby and this plant. Two things that cannot grow, slide and lamppost. Things around us can be living or non-living. Children, things that we see around us, some of them are living things that have life and some of them are non-living things that do not have life. Let us learn about them. Living and non-living things. Children, what are living things? Living things are those things that have life, that are alive. And non-living things are those things that are not alive. They do not have life. Living things are different from non-living things in many ways. Living things and non-living things, they are different from each other. Now you will learn the features of living things. Features means qualities. Living things move. Children, all living things move from one place to another. Like us, we walk, we run to go from one place to another. Living things breathe. Children, living things breathe air. We breathe in oxygen gas and breathe out carbon dioxide gas. Breathe in means take in and breathe out, take out. बाहर निकालते हैं. We breathe in means हम ऑक्सीजन गैस को breathe in करते हैं and कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को breathe out करते हैं. Next, living things eat food. Children, all living things eat food to grow and to get energy for work. Living things feel. All living things have feelings. They feel heat, they feel cold, and they feel pain also. Children, sometimes when you play, you fall and you get hurt. So at that time you feel pain. So all living things have feelings. Living things grow. Children, living things have growth. They grow and get bigger in size. Like in this picture, children, you can see the egg hatches and a chick comes out, and this chick grows and becomes a hen. This chick grows and becomes a hen. Like you also, children, when you were born, you were a small baby. You grew and you become a child. And now also you are growing. After some years you will grow and you will be like your father and your mother. So all living things grow. They have growth. Plants also, children. Small plants grow and become tree. Next, living things reproduce. Reproduce means to give birth to young ones. अपने जैसे babies को produce करना. It is called reproduction. Okay, so all living things reproduce. Living things give birth to young ones. All plants and animals are living things. Children, all types of plants that we see around us and animals that we see around us like butterflies, insects, mosquitoes, all these are animals and all of them are living things. Cow, cat, dog, all these animals are living things, and plants, whatever type of plant it is, a small plant or a big plant or tree, all of them are living things. Features of non-living things. Non-living things do not move, breathe, eat food, feel, grow or reproduce. Children, non-living things do not move from one place to another. They do not breathe. They do not eat food. They do not feel anything. They do not grow, and they do not reproduce. And what are the example of non-living things? A chair, a ball, paper, and a pen are non-living things. They cannot grow. Have you seen a chair growing? Have you seen your pencil growing? No. Why? Because all of these things are non-living things. So children, this is all for today. We'll continue the lesson tomorrow. And till then, you have to read the lesson. You have to learn hard words. And it's your homework to write names of 5 living things and 5 non-living things in your science notebook. Okay, you can draw pictures also if you want to draw. Thank you so much, children. Stay home, stay safe,